them to their limits. Hindi lang kami laging nag-stay kung asan kami. Like, from last season, yung pinakaunang season namin, goal namin is to quarterfinals. And last season, nakapasok naman kami sa semifinals. So this season, we are hoping for the finals naman. We see to it na holistic yung development namin. Like, we will conduct outreach program from the communities just to see to it na ma-feel dun ng mga bata na hindi lang sa paglalaro, pero nakakatulong din sila. And visible sila sa mga bata kasi may mga batang nanonood ngayon na baka ma-idolize sila and somehow, someday, maging idol din sila. Unang-una sa boss namin, yung may-ari, siyempre si Boss Adrian, Ma'am Stephanie Litam, because lagi silang nasa likod ko. From the start, kinausap nila ako lang talaga yung una eh. So yung tiwala nila sa akin, binigay nila yung 100% na tiwala. That's why sobrang pasalamat ko din sa kanila. To the community of ACLC, walang doubt. Kasi even hindi na kami mag-announce sa may laro, even sila nagtatanong kung kailan yung laro, lagi na silang nandyan. To my players, continue your dream kung saan man kayo maglalaro. So kung sa national or dito, you're always welcome sa ACLC. Yung si Salando kasi mag-grade 12 pa lang naman. So we are hoping na sana makalaro pa siya sa amin this coming season namin sa Bucal. Pero if there's a brighter opportunity for him, wala sa akin problema. Kasi pangarap yan ng mga bata eh. So we always here to support them.
Ang pagtatagumpay ng dalawang ACLC Hawks na makapasok sa isang National League, tagumpay din ng mga Bicolano. This is just one of the many proofs na kayang-kaya nating makapagsabayan sa larangan ng basketball. Micah Angeles, Sportify.
Time to shine the spotlight on athletic excellence and our Sportify first player of the week. And let's get to know our Bucal courtside reporters and commentators when we return.
Hello po, ako po si Ronald Michael San Miguel and tinatawag po nila akong Mickey and jersey number 7 po ako from Bicol University. Ang first of all po talaga, ang nagmamotivate po sa akin is my family po. Kasi every time pong may laro po talaga ako, kahit saan pa po yan, training yan, andyan po sila para suportahan po ako, andyan po sila bigyan ako ng allowance. Kaya po, namamotivate din po ako na hanggat nagbibigay po sila ng allowance, hanggat kaya pa po nilang magbigay sa akin, lumalaban pa rin po ako sa kada laro. Yung coaches ko din po, kasi hindi po sila sumusuko sa amin na kada training po, kahit pagod na po sila, andyan pa rin po sila na i-train po kami at turuan po kami sa kung ano po ang tama sa kada training po namin. Nag-start po ako ng, hindi ko po alam kung ilang taon po ako, pero nag-start po ako ng grade 9, tapos ano na po ako, ano ko na po yung parang nag-focus na ako sa volleyball nung grade 10 kasi po badminton player po talaga ako start grade 5 hanggang grade 9. Yung last year po talaga, kasi po injured po talaga ang braso ko noon, kada palo ko po talaga parang nahulog na po ang braso ko. Kaya napakasaya ko rin po kasi medyo nag-heal na po siya ngayon. Ang victory po para sa kanya yun is yung nakakatulong na po ako sa team ko. Kasi po dati ini-expect nila akong makatulong pero hindi ko po talaga kaya makatulong dahil po sa injury ko po. So ngayon po, yun po ang victory para sa akin na nakakatulong na po ako ngayon. Ang message ko po sa inyo na kahit po ang dami na pong struggles na na-encounter tayo ngayon sa paglalaro, wag po kayo sumuko dahil hanggat po may naniniwala sa inyo, hanggat may coach kayong kayong i-train, laban lang po kayo ng laban and wag po kalimutan na mag-pray.
Heartbeat of every Bucal basketball and volleyball game, infusing every match with unparalleled energy and insight, are your courtside reporters and commentators. Kilalanin natin ang mga bidang who breathe life into the courtside narrative, ensuring that every moment on the hardwood and the volleyball court is etched on the memories of all who bear witness.
I'm 17 years old and my favorite team for Bucal Season 5 is the ACLC Hawks.
Hi everyone, my name is Eliza Faith Caceres, a fourth-year student of Naga College Foundation, taking up Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in English. And since I am the courtside resident of Amando Cope College Green Serpents and the Shepherdville College Rams, my favorite teams would be ACC Green Serpents and the SVC Rams.
Badges Day everyone! This is Angel Bantog Plano, a grade 11 student from Ateneo de Naga University Senior High School. And with the question, who is my favorite team? Of course, it is the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Of course, because why not?
Hi everyone, I'm Chen Shaira S. Nicolas from Universidad de San Cristobal, taking up Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Of course, my favorite team is none other than USI Falcons.
Hi guys, I am Mary Blessed Eliza Belen, taking up Bachelor of Science in Development Communication at Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. And of course, my favorite team is the powerful Howling Wolves of Bicol University.
Hi guys, my name is Ray Reyes, a grade 12 Humanities and Social Sciences student from Naga College Foundation, and my favorite team is from the Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon.
Hi folks, good morning. This is Amanda Lazaro, a first-year college student taking up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies and a proud courtside reporter of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. And of course, my favorite team is the Blue Stallions, all the way from Nueva, Camarines Sur, the pride of CSPC.
Hi everyone, I am Kyla M. Casurio from Naga College Foundation, a fourth-year student taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication. And of course, my favorite school is the home of the champion, Naga College Foundation. Roar!
Hi, I'm Aljon Sibolopogoy. I'm taking my bachelor's degree in communication in Naga College Foundation. Fave team will be the University of Nueva Caceres, that champions excellence.
Hi everyone, I am Kelly Francisco from Naga College Foundation and I am taking Bachelor of Arts in Communication. My favorite team of course would be Pasakaw Academy and I am a commentator here at the Volleyball games.
Hi everyone, I'm Rick Puerta, taking a Bachelor of Arts in Communication here at Naga College Foundation, and my favorite team here in Bucal is the NCF, also known as the home of the champion.
Hi everyone, I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes, fourth-year college, taking a Bachelor of Arts in Communication here at Naga College Foundation. With that, my favorite team is the home of the champions, NCF.
My memorable experience as the courtside reporter of Naga College Foundation is of course na nanalo kami during the Bucal Season 4 dahil back-to-back champion ng NCF and we are triple champion. So to answer my question, I just keep every question authentic and relevant, or in other words, direct to the point.
When I was a kid, being an anchor is one of my dreams. Of course, nung nag-post na si Coach na naghahanap sila ng courtside reporter at USI, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na i-grab yung opportunity.
I've been watching Bucal since Season 4, and when I saw the post that they were looking for volunteers, I thought to myself, why not be a part of this league? Not as a player, but as a courtside reporter.
Mga kaibigan, walang dahilan para hindi ka maging updated sa latest chika ng Bucal Season 5. So for me, the only way to stay updated is to stay tuned on 1 Media 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Well, I've always been curious towards the sports basketball, but I never really had the chance to explore it. So I think that this opportunity has taught me a lot towards this sports. Kasi without the proper trainings, I would have not gained this knowledge.
The challenges or obstacles that I have faced as a courtside reporter is the stereotyping that I cannot do the job because I'm a transgender woman. And I turned that thing into my motivation, and I work hard and I do better in doing the job. And of course, I became more inspired as a courtside reporter. And regardless of my gender identity, regardless of being a transgender woman, I can break barriers.
So one experience that really built my expertise in being a courtside reporter, and it is a memorable experience for me, the semifinals match between the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers that led to an overtime. And as a courtside reporter, we are expected to create and report a substantial yet informative, and that is why that experience really honed my skills as a courtside reporter.
So as a commentator, of course, we always anticipate that bashers will always be there. But how do we handle that? Of course, we are always focused na lang sa games kasi kapag binigyan namin ng pansin yung mga bashers, of course, it's their right to comment on what is really happening inside the game. And of course, syempre, hindi namin sila mapipigilan. But of course, we as a commentator, as a courtside reporters, nagpo-focus kami sa loob ng games and not to all the bashers because at the end of the day, yung kino-cover namin are the players and of course, the game itself.
The transition from volleyball commentator to basketball commentator was quite challenging, but working with these people, it makes much more easier, and of course, I enjoy doing this.
To all aspiring sportscasters, take the leap now because you will never know what will be the outcome. So take the leap now.
Commentators ought to maintain objectivity at all times. We must talk to the game, not the players.
Mga kaibigan, catch us always every Saturday and Sunday here at Bucal Season 5 Men's and Women's Volleyball. Dito lamang yan sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
When we return, kilalanin natin ang pangalawang Player of the Week and more. Only here on Sportify.
Hi, I'm Adrian Batyancela, 19 years old, point guard from UNC Greyhounds, University of Nueva, Caceres. Inspiration, syempre si God and my family since they never get tired na sumuporta sa akin, magpaaral sa akin, and they are willing to sacrifice their time to watch our games. Yung kakaisip ko sa future ko kasi gusto ko talaga maging successful as an person, not only a basketball player. Siguro nung pandemic, that's my high school era and sobrang dami akong na-miss na opportunity and di man lang ako nabigyan ng chance. And isa rin ako sa nangarap makalaro sa palarong pambansa and yun, di man lang ako nabigyan ng chance kasi nga nag-pandemic. Wala rin akong specific na team na gustong matalo and kasi Kasi kaming team, marami pa kaming baguhan, and even coaches, maraming baguhan. Kaya parang more focus kami sa improvement and to get better day by day. Not only a basketball player but in person po, a student. Victory for me is winning. Not only in basketball but for life. Kasi sa UNC program talaga parang sinasanay kami magsalita sa maraming tao, and sinasanay kami kung paano mag-approach and kung paano makihalubilo. Since nung after provincial Pirsa, 1 week na kami nakapahinga and nakapag-isip-isip. After that, nag-training na kami with NCF boys, and every afternoon we do extra work. And speaking of basketball program ng UNC, we do library period. In library period, we do nagtutulungan kami kasi hindi kami pwede mabagsak kahit isang subject lang, dahil yun yung patakaran sa school namin, and siguro yun yung nakakatulong sa amin para namin yung bond namin and chemistry. Sa kapwa ko atleta, disiplina lang, dahil madadala natin to sa totoong buhay, and lalo-lalo na sa trabaho. And huwag natin pababayaan yung sarili natin kasi yun yung magiging pundasyon natin. And enjoy natin every moment. Huwag tayo mag-pressure dahil di lahat ng time makukuha natin yung gusto natin, and may mga time talaga na hindi sa atin ibibigay yun. And hindi yun hadlang para di tayo magpatuloy, and yun. Just keep striving and aim high. To all Greyhound fans there, thank you dahil di kayo nagsawang sumuporta sa amin, at sana patuloy nyo pa rin po kaming suportahan. Promise, we will get better day by day.
The Ateneo Golden Cavalry has successfully earned its spot in the National Cheerleading Competition, a historic achievement that serves as an affirmation of Ateneo's steadfast dedication in achieving excellence in sports. Samahan natin ang Ateneo Cheerleading Squad sa kanilang preparations para sa Season 17 ng NCC. Sportified by Jack Micah Angeles.
Ateneo Golden Cavalry was founded in 2005 by our three founders, namely Joy San Valentin, Nick Cargulio, and Jerome Ibrando. So they were from Ateneo de Manila. They flew here in Naga to support their friend who is currently a Golden Knights during that time. So they used to watch UAP games and see the crowds in that game, that it has the Babel Battalion, the drums, and the cheering during the game. So that was lacking way back here in Naga during the time they founded our group. During that time, it was only the band department that was existing, and there are only three who were shouting and cheering for the Golden Knights during that time. So eventually, time passed. There are a lot of recruits already, and they created the dance department, which performed during half-times, invitational events, competitions, and that becomes an organized cheerleading group here in Naga, also in the Bicol.
The Ateneo Golden Cavalry is set to represent the entire Ateneo community in the upcoming National Children's Championship. They are ready to leave their mark and make a statement in the NCC Season 17. passion, grit, and determination, they are set to compete with the best of the best. Ating silipin ang mga preparations at kilalanin ang members ng Ateneo Golden Cavalry.
I think the most dominant feeling that each and every one of us feel joining the National Cheerleading Championship as the first batch in the Ateneo Golden Cavalry is, I think, it's the pressure. We've been training since January, and we've been planning since last year in joining this national competition. So we feel pressure, but at the same time exciting, since Cavalry is cheering for almost 18 years. The Ateneo Golden Cavalry is cheering for almost 18 years, and this is the first time that Cavalry will be joining the national cheerleading competition finals. So I think the pressure is on us. We are living the dream of some alumni, and we are also living the dream for ourselves. It's a great honor, especially that since we are competing for the first time in history of Ateneo Golden Cavalry, and to represent Bicol is a great opportunity for us to discover our talents and to share our skills in front of everyone who are also competing for the nationals.
So competing at the national stage will help us a lot in a lot of terms, such as improving ourselves in being one of the youngest cheerleaders here in Bicol region, and also to experience different cheerleading teams to compete with them, and it will bring us a lot of opportunities, especially to our team and to the Ateneo community, and to spread out the Ateneo culture.
Aside from the emotions they are feeling, ano-ano nga ba ang sacrifices and challenges na kinakaharap ng mga members?
We did a lot of activities for the upcoming NCC finals. So first, for our mandatory gym, we need to build up our muscles and our core. And next is the body conditioning and tumbling skills. And we sacrifice a lot for the practice for our upcoming competition in the NCC finals.
I think that the main challenge we had this competition season is that we started training during the start of the second semester, and we have a very limited amount of time. But I think we did the necessary preparations and mind conditioning to overcome the amount of time, and I think another challenge is that our academics and our trainings are clashing.
They do not just care about each other inside the mats. That's how we can distinguish their group from others.
What makes Ateneo Golden Cavalry unique from different groups is that we do not only treat each other as teammates, or we do not only treat or care for each other inside the mats, we also care for each other outside the mats. And so from that, we form a special bond wherein we families. And aside from that, Ateneo Golden Cavalry is supported by the Ateneo community. Aside from that, the Ateneo Golden Cavalry practice values before skills, because we believe that values comes first before skills, because without it, skills would be nothing.
The coach is feeling positive about the team's performance as they advance to the finals.
Yes, it's our first time joining the national finals in Manila. Way back before in Naga, it was already conducted here, but it was just only a qualifier. So Ateneo Golden Cavalry was able to join the qualifiers, but doesn't have an opportunity to go straight to the finals because of some concerns that we faced before. But now that we have all the supports from the university, the College Athletics Office, headed by our director, Coach Chaclaro, it was really fulfilling that the Ateneo Golden Cavalry for the first time will be joining the nationals. And as per the expectation, since this is the national finals, there are a lot of competitors that we will be joining with in that event, but we never settle for less. We know that a lot of cheerleading group will be competing as well from different schools, provinces, and also regions in the Philippines. But this will not be a hindrance for us as a first-time competitor because we know that our skill is enough for us to compete in the finals. We will definitely leave a mark and a good impression to our judges and also to the cheerleading community because we don't want Ateneo Golden Cavalry to not just compete, to not just perform, but we aim for a podium this time or even a championship. I think being able to compete in a national will boost the Ateneo community, especially here in Naga, because not all the sports here in the region or the province are getting this opportunity to compete in the national. So we will definitely help the sports community, not only in Ateneo, also in the whole province, to not just settle for a regional championship or regional events that they're joining regularly. So they must aim for a higher competition or higher competitors, which they can learn from them as well, and also they can develop more their skills. After this competition, I think we'll be going back to basic because I believe that doing advanced skill is really a good strategy, but going back to basic will really define you who you are or as a team. So those members that we have here still have a lot of things to polish, skills to develop. So I want them to have one skill that they can do together. So not just one team, one member that can only do the specific skills. I want all of my members to do everyone that they can do.
To exemplify the true essence of matches in the pursuit of excellence, the Ateneo de Nueva University's debut in the National Students Competition will not only be a momentous occasion for the Ateneo community, but an opportunity to make an impact and an enduring legacy in the nation's history of cheer dance. Mike Angeles, Sportify.
From the biggest championships to the most unexpected of sets, we've got it all Sportify. Ihahatid namin sa inyo ang mga highlights, expert analysis, at insider stories sa likod ng mga pinakamalalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday on One Media Naga Digital TV Channel 48.2. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official social media accounts. One Media TV 48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano, and Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all the volleyball enthusiasts na nakatutok live sa ating live coverage ngayon. Again, welcome sa ating step-ladder match pagdating sa ating women's division ng Bucal Season 5. Again, my name is Rick Puerta, and together with me is Kelly Francisco para makasama nyo sa magandang bakbakang ito.
Magandang hapon, Bicolandia. We are still live here at the NCF Covered Court, and it's Sunday. It's the semifinals of the Bicol University versus the BU Wolves, and kung sino man manalo sa kanila ay makakapasok na sa finals. At ngayon ngang araw, syempre nais natin pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga sponsors na tumulong sa season na ito.
Yan, Kelly, Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, will print quality printing excellent service, your printing partner since 1985, Congressman Gabby Bordado, Representative, 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Ateneo de Naga University, One Big Fight. Liman Beach Shop, top quality guaranteed, simply the best in Bicolandia, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and Universidad de Santa Isabel, where love is service.
And also, the ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Miss Mars Alianante, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Dunkin' Donuts, Pasalubong ng Bayan, Gold Gopher Real Estate Development and Construction Enterprises, and NCF Wings, because the Tigers can have wings. At marami pa pong sponsor ang pasasalamatan natin maya-maya lamang.
Yan, Kelly, talagang inaabangan ang match-up between the Lady Greyhounds and BU Wolves kasi on that previous match doon sa nangyaring laban ng dalawang interaction ng dalawang team na ito, nakuha ng BU Wolves ang panalo. Fifth set, umabot sila ng fifth set on that last duel dito sa loob ng ating NCF Covered Court at sa Bucal Season 5. So anything can happen sa dalawang ito. Sino ang makaka-advance sa finals, yan ang dapat nating abangan.
Yes, on that elimination round happened on their division, women's division. Yun nga, as you have said, fifth set ang labanan at talagang nagpakita ng lakas ng loob at galing. Husay at galing sa loob ng court. And syempre, we cannot predict kung sino mananalo dito. But right now, let's hear an update on the side of UNC. Rain, take it away.
Good afternoon, Kelly and Rick, and hello, Bicolandia. Another thrilling match for the semifinals will occur as the Lady Greyhounds won their previous match against the USI Falcons that brought them here today to battle against the BU Wolves. I am Rain Reyes, and I will be your courtside reporter from the bench of the University of Nueva Caceres Lady Greyhounds. Ayon nga sa Facebook page nila, they said that this is the time for redemption because, folks, the Lady Greyhounds had already battled between the Wolves and during the elimination rounds and lost an intense and close game of a 5-set match. Despite this, the players are more than ready na bawiin and make their way once again to the top. They sure are gonna flaunt their hard work from their trainings today, kaya naman abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Shane, for that update. So yun, redemption para dito sa UNC Lady Greyhounds. Talagang kailangan nila ditong bawiin yung talo nila on that previous season sa Bucal. Nakalaban nila dito ang BU Wolves. That's why ready sila dito para madepensa ng kanilang chance para maging champion dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. So kaabang-abang kung ano ba ang gagawin nila dito, mga techniques and bagong game plan para ma-outplay dito ang BU Lady Wolves. Now, on the side of the BU Wolves, talagang alam natin na ready din sila. Hindi talaga natin masasabi kung sino ang mananalo ngayon because ang BU Wolves meron silang mga new players and of course ang UNC Greyhounds meron din, but on that previous match nga, nakuha ito ng Lady Wolves. So ngayon, ukaw ngayon sa panalo ng UNC Greyhounds. And on the side of the BU Lady Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter to give some information about the team. Hi Amanda, take it away.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our volleyball enthusiasts. We are now in the thrilling semifinals of Bucal Season 5 Men and Women's Volleyball. Live here at Naga College Foundation, the battle between the UNC Greyhounds and BU Wolves. This is Amanda Lazaro all the way from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, but this time makakasama niyo ako sa side ng Bicol University Wolves. Ano nga ba ang improvements and adjustments ang ginawa ng BU Wolves? According to Coach Francis, mas pinag-igihan nila ang kanilang floor defense this time. After losing the last game, they are ready to spike today. Inalam din nila ang kanilang mga pagkukulang last game para makabawi ngayong araw. Coach Francis reminded also the player to know their roles inside the hard court. At bago nga matapos, ay iniwan ng B-Wolves ang mensaheng maraming improvements ang kanilang preparation. Yan lamang ang update mula sa side ng Bicol University Wolves. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Callie.
Thank you, Amanda, for that update. As we have said nga, of course, they need to know their roles inside the court para at least, di ba, consistent yung win nila against this UNC Lady Greyhounds. And syempre yung BU, syempre hindi sila papayag since nanalo sila ng elimination round. Gusto nilang makapasok muli sa finals. And syempre, lahat naman gusto makapasok sa finals appearance, very important. And syempre, I know they will do their best inside the game, inside the court, at para mapakita na nung sa elimination round, hindi lang yon, marami pang pwedeng ipakita ang Lady Wolves dito.
Yes, and a little bit of pressure on the side of the BU Wolves kasi pag naghahabol ang isang team, talagang mas okay itong makuha ang panalong ito. So talagang maganda ang ipapakitang laro ng dalawang kupunan na ito na aabangan ng ating mga audiences. And shoutout sa mga live viewers na nakatutok sa atin via Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
At yan nga rin sa ating pagbabalik, magsisimula na po ang first set. After this warm-up, dito lang yan sa One Media TV 48, Naga at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para simulan na ang bakbakang Lady Greyhounds versus Lady Wolves. And ang ating ang starters for both teams.
Jersey number 1, Christian Estado. Jersey number 9, Jermaine Dalay. Jersey number 8, Sheena Orizabal. Their starting liberal is jersey number 7, Michaela Wesley. Head coach is John Vincent Odur. Well, it's now going on. The first one-up of Bucal Season 4, the Bicol University. Jersey number 9, Nueva, Jersey number 6, Caceres, Jersey number 4, Trisha Rojas. Jersey number 14, Trisha Ramirez. Jersey number 7, Nueva Villas. Team captain is jersey number 3, Sammy Sharon Taylor. Jersey number 8, Sheena Tonko, and jersey number 15, Maria Bambina Villas. Their head coach is Francis Rubio.
Right now, we have the starting 6 here for the side of UNC and also on the side of BU Wolves. At kaabang-abang nga ang mangyayaring laro dito sa semifinals.
Kelly, nagsisimula na ang ating first set between these two great teams. Sa mga live viewers po, comment down below kasi maya-maya mag-shoutout po kami ng mga nanonood at nakatutok live na live sa Oragon Sports TV. Now, first set, magsisimula na. On the deck to serve, we have Valderrama. Valderrama setting up Rojas. Rojas with that first point on the side of the Lady Wolves, finding that opening on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Napakagandang approach doon ang binigay ni Rojas. Good valuable IQ there, inihulog. Doon na to Triho.
One more time for Rojas. Great defense.
Ngayon, Luna in the middle to binagay.
What a great dig coming from the libero of Wolves. And second straight point para sa Lady Wolves courtesy of Balde on that last sequence. Again, nagpapakitang gilas ang libero dito ng BU Wolves. Another great defense. Now Valderrama again serving. Trio will try. Andun ulit si Tonko.
Magandang bantay. Another hulog there.
Trio will try. Valderrama setting up her teammate. Bantay sarado doon ang Greyhounds.
To Trio and block. Rick, napak. Zero run for the BU Wolves.
Grabe, bakod na bakod on that last play ang UNC Greyhounds. But on that last sequence, Valderrama committed an error. Chance for the UNC Greyhound here to bounce back and chase that 2-point lead para dito sa BU Wolves. Now Balde will do the setting. Rojas will give a free ball.
To Binaday, that spike coming from the middle. Luna will be serving right now. Sorry, that's Bistaho. Destaho pala in the middle who spiked earlier.
Unforced error on the side of the Greyhounds. Now, Balde on the deck to serve para dito sa Wolves. Nice serve. Now, Luna setting up her teammate.
To Balane, the opposite spiker, spiking on the side of open, and she converted a point for her teammates. Napakagandang transition ang pinapakita dito ng UNC Greyhounds, and now Triho will be serving in a service ace coming from her. Wow.
And we are tied up at 4. What a great chase coming from the Lady Greyhounds. Now Triho will be serving. Valderrama with that 1-2 play.
To Arizobal, another 5-4 ang talahan dito. Lamang na po ng isa ang UNC Greyhounds. Another good serve there ngayon. Valderrama with a free. Trijo. Luna in the middle. But it's an out. And no check ball there. Puntos for the BU Wolves.
Another deadlock of the match. So everyone talagang mag-expect tayo sa gantong kahigpit na laro sa ating set number 1 pa lamang. Dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. Now Luna setting up jersey number 9. Nandun si Rojas. Valderrama setting up her teammate. Great anticipation at the net, pero nakadikit siya on that last play on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. That's why the point will go automatically on the side of the Lady Wolves. Now Rojas serving the ball. Luna to jersey number 9. Nice anticipation.
Opposite. But that goes straight down to the net. What a beautiful defense showing by the both team. As of the moment, it's just the start of the first set, but the defense of the both teams is superb. Ladies and gentlemen, as you watch right now, napakagandang laro ang ipinapakita dito. Again, a good ball there for Martires. You know what? Kahapon nga, medyo nakaranas dito ng ankle sprain si Martires, and as I have mentioned kahapon na parang sinabi ko an ankle injury, but I'm really sorry, I stand corrected. It's an ankle sprain pala, and now we are seeing her on the opposite.
Now Balane will give a free ball. Chance for the Wolves here to score. Rojas will give a free ball to the UNC Greyhounds. Luna setting up Martires. Another great dig. No chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Arzubal finding that down the line, a corner.
Bigay ng bola sa kabila, walang tao. Walang masyadong bantay. Very good anticipation there by Rojas. Pero syempre, but on that sequence, a service error for Destao.
So again, you cannot afford to commit an unforced error kasi naghahabulan lamang dalawang koponan na ito. Now Ramirez on the deck to serve para dito sa Lady Wolves.
That's strong serve. Libreng puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Back-to-back errors for both teams. Now Balane on the service deck para dito sa Lady Greyhounds. Over-receive, Luna setting up Arizobal, too close at the net, pero nagawa ng paraan
good
dito.
Save! A 4 touches violation called for Bicol University. Puntos muli sa UNC Greyhounds. You know what, Rick? What I really love about this both teams talagang hindi talaga sila nagpapakita ng kahinaan sa loob ng court.
Yes.
Laban kung laban, spike kung spike, dig kung dig, napakagandang depensa ng parehong kupunan. At on that sequence, another service error for the UNC Greyhounds.
Again, unforced error, ito ang nagpapahirap dito sa dalawang koponan para makapull away ng score sa ating set number 1. Ayan, now serving Granadillos. Luna with that 1-2 play. Balde with that soft touch. And again, hindi dito.
A really smart move there since she know that she has a tall blocker, and also, you know, that hit, napakagandang placement talaga ng bola. But on that sequence for Granadillo, a service error for Bicol University Wolves. And dito naman, sa side ng UNC. Arizobal will be serving, and let's see if she can have an ace. Let us give a play for the Bicol University. A good serve there. Now, in the middle.
Balde will try, but the unforced error was committed by their team. So 3-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Lady Greyhounds.
Arizobal will be serving once again.
Another great serve. Now Valderrama choosing her teammates and breaking down the wall. Para sa last play na kailangan wag mo nang pahabulin dito ang Lady Wolves to secure this first set. Now Luna, underhand set to Arizobal. Ball is still alive. Balde will do the honor. Boy pa dito ang bola. Balane will give a feeble on the side of Wolves. Valderrama to Balde.
And it's inside. Called by the linesman there. Puntos for the Bicol University.
So grabe naman we would like to commend our officials here. Talagang kitang-kita nila ang bola kung saan lumalapag. So kudos to all the officials here sa ating Bucal Season 5. But on that last sequence, another 1 point was given on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Martinez will be serving for the UNC. A service error kanina pa dito. Rick, yung unforced error in terms of serving, kanina pa pinapakita dito ng UNC Greyhounds. I think, of course, they need to lessen it para at least may tawid itong first set na to. A good serve for Valderrama. Now Luna to Trijo. Trijo with that soft touch. Valderrama to Rojas, an elevation, but it's an outside hit for her. Puntos for the UNC Greyhound.
Another 2-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Again, hindi pa natin dito nakikita ang both teams na talagang umarangkada sa ating first set. Very tight match between these two teams para sa ating opening ng Bucal Season 5 ngayong araw na ito. No, Valderrama sa ating Rojas. Andon si Arizobal. Too low on that set. Nakita naman natin doon na hindi nagkaroon ng magandang communication between Luna and Destajo. Masyadong mababa yung set for Destajo, knowing that she's having that height advantage on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Another top player for the Bicol University Walls will be serving. Kanina pa dito nagpapagitan ng service error ang parehong kupunan.
Again, palitan ng unforced error ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Talagang hindi natutuwa ang both coaching staff ng dalawang kupunan kasi again, naghahabulan lamang sila ng score. And right on cue, another unforced error was given on the side of the BU Wolves.
Palitan lamang ng unforced error dito.
You know, it's really hard to have a perfect serve kasi kita sa feeling ng mga players is makakapasok yung serve na yun, but on the other hand, outside. But this time, nakabawi na ang BU Wolves coming from that service ace, all tied up at 15.
Yes, Rick, of course, the pressure for the players. Siyempre, the excitement as well. Siyempre, you cannot anticipate if mababa, masyado bang mahina yung serve, masyado bang malakas. But of course, you need to make sure as a player to have a good serve. And that's a good serve. Now Luna to Balane. Good pick up there for Bio. Valderrama.
Operio.
Ganda. And Destajo saw that hole. Walang kumuha. Libreng-libre for the UNC Greyhounds.
Grabe. Again, if you have that height advantage, you should maximize it. Talagang kitang-kita niya on that last play. Walang taong nakabantay on the side of the Beowulfs. That's why nakakuha siya ng puntos. Now, substitution on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Their team kapitana is on the court.
Felices will be serving.
Nice
Good
serve.
Now, Rio will get it. Oh! Free ball. Masyado akong nadala doon sa sequence na yan. Masyadong mapapasigaw ako dito. Napakagandang laro po. At napakita ng parehong kupunan dito. Just a miscommunication there for Balane.
And you know, at this point in time, every point is important para dito sa kupunan na ito. Again, you cannot afford to give a free point on your opponent.
No room for error for the both teams since nagpapalitan lamang sila ng unforced error dito. Still lamang po ng isa ang UNC Greyhounds and the BU need to adjust. Ngayon, Luna. That is the ball. A good dig there, but a big point for the UNC. UNC Greyhounds, and right now, Balane will be serving.
You know what, Kelly? Wala pang nagta-time out na coach. Talagang grabe ang tiwalang binibigay sa kanilang players right now.
That's true, since nagpalitan lamang ng error dito, palitan lamang ng puntos, deadlock palagi, and syempre, yung trust ng coaches sa kanilang players at talagang andyan, and so far, wala pa naman nagpapakita ng timeout.
Granadillos. Great serve. 1-2 play. Andon si Valderrama. Baldeto Rojas. Free ball. Now Luna to Martires. Martires will get a score.
I'm actually loving the energy here on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Gandang positibong aura ang pinapakita dito ng mga players for the UNC, while on the BU side, they're trying to adjust. And that sequence, a service ace for the UNC. And ngayon nga, time out na for the Bicol University wall.
Ayan, napatawag na nga ng timeout ang kupunan ng BU Lady Wolves because UNC Greyhounds is now on 20-point mark. 5 points away on getting this set number 1. So they need to loosen up and get back their momentum para makahabol dito sa kanilang kalaban.
And syempre, nais nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors, Mangkok's Kinalas, Naga Healthcare Diagnostic Center, Nagayon Travels and Tours, NCF Gallery and Museum, and of course, Digital Graphics Printing Service, Tigers Cafe, NCF Indoor Firing Range, NCF Swimming Pool, and NCF Driving School, as well as Havayanas, Bigs, and Alice Sports. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa ating volleyball season, men's and women's volleyball. Run after that timeout. Let's see kung anong adjustment ay ipapakita dito ng Bicol University Wolves because the UNC is now leading of 3 points.
Valderrama setting up Rojas. And then si Balane, now Luna to trio, single man block. And Balde, makakakuha ng of the BU Lady Wolves. Now Operio, serving the ball. Great serve. Now a chance for the Wolves here to add things up on their side. Rojas! What a powerful cross-court hit. And now the lead is cut into 1. Para dito sa ating laro. Now, there's no room for error para dito sa BU Wolves if they want to tie this match.
Another good serve. Oh, good serve there. And that's a point for the Bicol University Wolves. What a good anticipation there for the players.
And guess what? We are all tied up at 20. Pang-ilang deadlock na dito sa larong ito. 20 all po, ladies and gentlemen. At mind you, first set pa lang ng ating laro.
What a beautiful play showing by these players.
Another great serve. Now Trio needs to have a score. But again, great defense on the side of BU Wolves. And Rojas breaking down the wall on the side of their team. At napapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang UNC Greyhounds.
What a good call. Timeout kanina ng Bicol University Wolves. They adjusted well in terms of their service as well as receiving. A good defense also on the back. Mapalikod man yan, mapaunahan. Napakagandang depensa ang pinapakita as well as the attack efficiency of the players for the Bicol University Wolves. At ngayon nga, lamang narik ng isa. Kanina lamang, the UNC Greyhounds is leading with 3 points, 2 points. At ngayon, after the timeout called by the BU Wolves, they adjusted well. And dalamangan nila ngayon ang UNC Greyhounds. And let's see, right now after this timeout, kung ano ba ang gagawing adjustment ng UNC Greyhounds.
So it all goes well on the side of the Lady Wolves because they are giving heavy serve. That's why nahihirapan ditong mag-first ball pass ang UNC Greyhounds. But let's see dito sa ating larong ito. And unfortunately, an unforced error was committed on the side of the Wolves. Again, deadlock at 21 para sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
And that bounce on the net. And we are seeing a double substitution right now. A single substitution also. A single substitution only. And the Staho will going inside. Capitano will go out. And now Martires will be serving for the UNC Greyhounds. Good serve. A strong service there for the UNC Greyhounds. Lamang naman po dito ang Bicol University Wolves with only 1 point, and let's see if tatapusin na nila ito or hahabulin pa ng UNC Greyhounds. Another great serve
para dito sa Lady Wolves. Again, if you need and if you want this game, talagang ibibigay mo ang lahat. But on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, nakikita natin dito na medyo nararattle sila, kaya nga napatawag ulit dito ng timeout ang kanilang coach. Again,
what a strong heart there for the Bicol University Wolves. Kanina nga, pako sila sa 3 puntos, 2 puntos.
Yes.
But of course, syempre yung motivation nila to get this win, to have a spot on the final, syempre talagang gagawin nila yung best nila. At ngayon nga, lamang na ng 2 puntos dito ang Bicol University Wolves. And let's see on how the UNC Greyhounds will adjust, will maximize their offense and as well as their defense, the reception as well. Kasi kanina pa talaga sila nag-struggle in terms of receiving the ball. No good pass, no good set, and as well as no good attack there. But let's see on right now, Valderrama will be serving. Another good serve.
Nice coverage, Rojas.
Now Luna
to
the smile.
Now Rojas will try again.
Luna to the star. Another good defense there. Now a chance to have a 1 point. Luna to Trijo, adjust. Oh, that's a good point for the UNC Greyhounds. Wow.
A very crucial attack coming from Trio. Talagang they are not giving up.
Not a very strong spike.
Yes.
But an effective one for them. Now Luna will be serving. A full front line right now for the UNC Greyhounds. Valderrama, a double flip. Puntos. And it's a set point for the BU Wolves.
Again, if you want this game, you better do your best and double your effort at this point in time. BU Wolves is now on set point. Luna setting up this. Wow! What a big spike! The cleanest spike for the Taho right now. Napakagandang palo dun for the Taho. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, kung napapanood nyo lang live, right out the NCF Covered Court, talagang mapapasigaw kayo sa gandang spike. But right now, Rojas, a good defense. Now chance to tie this up. Arizobal, free ball. And Valderrama with a double. Another kick. Ball is still alive. Now Arizobal. And that ties up 20. It seems like it's a final game. Yes, what a game talaga. It's a do-or-die game for them. Whoever won on this game, makakapasok sa finals and will be facing against the champion, the NCF Lady Tigers. And this time, a timeout for the both team. So very crucial attack on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. That two attacks talagang na-prolong nila ang set number 1 na to. Sabi nga nila, if you have the hammer, you put it down. What an amazing player of this UNC Greyhounds for tying this game at 24 and extending this set number 1. I still can't move on that spike by this Taho. Gandang palitan dito ng puntos. And Triho will be serving. And almost a service ace. Ngayon, on the back. Good pick up there by Lava P. Arizobal, gagawa ng paraan. A good save. And set point now for the UNC Greyhounds. The tables have turned. Set point na po dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Again, no room for errors for these both teams. Trio, nasa kamay niya dito kung mananalang yun si Greyhounds. But unfortunately, crucial service error, another extended match. It's 25-all. Let's see kung sino ang makakuha ng puntos for the set point. Lava P, Luna, Tubalani adjusted. Now a chance. Rojas. Now, Luna to Destajo. And that's a long shot there. Set point. Now, BU Wolves is now on set point. 26-25. Sit back and just come sa ating mga nanonood dito live na live kasi ang gandang larong pinapakita ng dalawang koponan na ito. What a great serve! Pero boy pang bola. Getting a score. Coming from that down the line hit. 26-all everyone. What a strong heart here for the both teams. Napakagandang laro ang pinapakita dito. It's just a start. Just the first set for this game. And ngayon, the star will be serving. Almost a service ace. Now a chance. Valderrama. Ngayon, Martres. Ibinalik kay Arizona. A set point for the UNC. Gandang laro ang pinapakita dito ng parehong kupunan. And you cannot predict kung ano mangyayari. And now the Taho will be serving for the set point. A good save, but it's an unforced error. Once again, of course, the pressure, you can feel the pressure of these players. And we all tied up right now. Now 27 all again. Now substitution on the side of the BU Wolves. Corrias is in for Ramirez. Grabe. What a first set game between these two teams. Nakakailang sabi na tayong wow and what a game. Pero talagang yun naman talagang pinapakita ng dalawang koponan na ito. Ball is still alive. Great hustle. Free ball on the side of the Greyhounds. Arizobal. Great dig. Good dig there. Ayan, soft cash. Arizobal. Good dig there by Rojas. Ayan, back! A strong hit for Operio. Set point for the UNC Greyhounds. And now, nasa kamay ni Balane. A crucial save for her. Again. Bawal na dito ang error. No room for error here for the both team. Will she end this set with her serve? A good serve. Ayan. UNC Greyhounds ang first set with 29-27. Dito lang yan sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga at Robin Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. loob ng NCF Covered Court sa pagpapatuloy ng magandang bakbakan between the UNC Lady Greyhounds and the BU Lady Wolves. Nakuha nga ng UNC Greyhounds ang panalo on that first set, pero wow, extended first set on the side of their team. At para makingi tayo ng update on the side of the Lady Wolves, let's go our courtside reporter Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong balita dyan?
Unang puntos nga ang binigay ni Rojas sa first set. The defense and communication of the Wolves are manifesting inside the hard court. According to Coach Kiko, alagaan nila ang kanilang bola at bigyan pa ng pressure ang kalaban. Coach Miggs reminded the players to keep calm and execute well their game. We can witness a powerful eyes and composure from the Wolves, not losing any single chance to spike and dive for the ball. A jostle fight indeed in the middle of the game. Before the end of the first set, the Wolves spiked hard and showed their strong spirit and unity inside the game. This is Amanda Lazaro reporting. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Amanda. Well, basically the BU Wolves showed a strong spirit on our first set. 29-27, kinapos lang ng onte, pero nagpakita sila ng magandang laro. And of course, they need to minimize their errors and maximize their skills para naman ngayong set ay mabawi nila. Right now, puntos for the UNC Greyhounds, and let's hear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhound. Their course reporter, Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Kelly and Rick. It is indeed an intense match. Both teams are displaying an amazing strategy and defense. And as for the Greyhounds, they are maintaining their way of attacking and reminding each other to focus and relax. During huddle, they're reminded to control the ball to avoid it from landing outside the court. Fix and focus when doing serves. Communicate and be in your right positions during play. Above all this, the most important thing to improve and tighten is the defense of the Lady Greyhounds. First set pa lang ay talaga namang napakainit at dikit ang laban. Both teams sure are hungry for victory. Folks, the first set has ended with a score of 29-27 in favor of the Lady Greyhounds. Kaya naman patuloy natin silang subaybayan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, indeed, it was an intense set number 1. Pero we should erase that moment. Gawin na ang best dito sa set number 2 at huwag maging complacent on the side of the UNC Greyhounds because we know that BU Wolves can turn these things around. Right now, Rojas with that spike. Luna, ibinigay kay Balane. Balane! Now the Taho on the deck to serve para dito sa Greyhounds. And a service ace for her. And that sequence. Ngayon nga, first service ace for the Taho. Very good. But a strong hit there. Puntos for the BU Wolves. And Rojas will be serving on the side of BU. Good pass. Luna in the middle. Caceres with that quick. Anticipation, pero masyadong malakas. Masyadong wala sa pwesto. Ngayon in the middle. Nice recovery on the side of the Greyhounds. But nobody homes on that last sequence para sa UNC Greyhounds. A tight set there by Trio. Narito na naman tayo sa 1-point lead, deadlock. Same routine sa nangyari on that first set. Now Ramirez on the deck to serve on the side of the Wolves. Great serve. Another for Martinez.
And the setting, the play of their setter Luna, talagang binibigyan ng chance dito yung middle to convert a point. But right now, another chance for UNC Greyhounds. Balane, an underhand set, Trio with a adjust. Dog there. Another chance, free ball. Martres with a get. And Trio with a spike, but it's an outside. Sa ilalim yung kuha ng bola.
Back to 1-point lead. Ang hawak dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Granadillos on the deck to serve. Great serve this time. Trio will adjust. And again, Balde. Alam mo, kanina pa si Balde dito nakaka-block. Talagang bakod niya ang net on the side of the BU Wolves.
She's a tall blocker,
yes.
tall player as well. Talagang kuha-kuha yung bola.
Powering that attack of Trio. Now, deadlock at 5. 6 rather.
Arzubal. Binigay dito kay Trio. And point for the BU Wolves. A net touch violation for Trio.
Because the set was too close at the net. So hindi dito nagawa ng paraan ni Trio. Now, hawak na ngayon ang lead ng BU Wolves, Granadillos on the deck to serve.
Reception, good save. Now, chance. Valderrama. Good pick up there by Balane. Balane to Luna to Martres, rather. Ngayon, Rojas on the back. Luna to Martres once again, and she puts it away. Side ng UNC Greyhounds. And now Martinez will be serving, which means the Staho is inside. A tall player as well. Now Aperio with a get. Rojas with a free ball. Chance. Balane. Luna. To Trio. Good back there by Balde. Now to the Staho. Good dog there by Rojas.
Now free ball.
Luna. To Trio. And she puts it away. What a good strike by Trio. The confidence of this player. I love how she elevated on that set. How she adjusted at kung paano niya pinatama yung bola.
Yes.
Sa mataas na blocker.
Not this time, sabi ni Trio. Now Martinez with that good serve. Operio.
Gustavo with the receive. To Trio once again. Good pick up there. Valderrama. Adjusted. Ngayon, Martinez. Habol by Luna. To Trijo. Valderrama to Balde. Balane. And a good point for Bicol University Wolves there.
You would like to commend the floor defense here para kay Rojas. Grabe. Talagang ayaw magpalapag ng bola.
Gandang depensa ang pinapakita ng parehong kupunan
yes.
dito. Mapalikod man, mapaunahan. Wow. What a players we have here. But on that sequence, an unforced error.
Now Luna on the deck to serve para dito sa Greyhounds. Rojas will give a free ball. So back-to-back free ball for these both teams. Valderrama setting up Balde para miscommunication on their side.
Another, but this time an effective one. Actually, both middle blockers parang, hindi masyadong maganda ang anticipation there on the ball, pero sa side ng UNC, magandang puntos, nagawa ng paraan.
Now 2-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds, but with that error, naibaba sa isa ang kailangang habulin dito ng Wolves.
Right now, Valderrama will be serving on the side of Rio. A service out! A smile coming from Lavapi.
Now, Trijo on the other side, now serving. Great serve.
Collision earlier there. And I think she's good. And we're having a substitution right now. Bilardo will go inside. We hope that she's good for Operio.
Now Belardo checks in para dito sa BU Wolves. Back to 2-point lead para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now Balde on the service deck para dito sa BU Wolves. Nice serve this time. Trio at the pipe. Back-to-back error for her. Isang puntos na lamang dito ang inahabol ng BU Wolves.
What a tight game for the both teams. Walang masyadong ganun kataas na lead. But it's 12-11 right now.
Another great serve. Now Luna to Arizobal. And Arizobal will get a score.
And we'll get an update later on sa kalagayan dito ni Operio.
Rojas with that good serve. Now Arizobal. But Arizobal with that error. So we're outside up at 13.
Well, we get an update earlier about Zoilo. I stand corrected, not Operio pala. Zoilo is having an ankle sprain right now. Nung training pa daw po. Masyado lang na-triggered after that collision.
Now Valderrama setting up Ramirez and breaking down the wall para sa kanyang koponan. 14-all. Ito na naman tayo sa ating mga deadlock. Now Ramirez serving the ball. To get a point on that last play. lead ngayon ang kailangang habulin ng kanilang kupunan.
Siyempre, would like to thank all our live viewers here at the NCF Covered Court and as well as our live viewers at the online platforms. Nice nating pasalamatan and batiin ang lahat ng nanonood ngayon. We have Evelyn A. Arizobal. And well, obviously, she is supporting UNC Greyhounds and as well as Danilo Sabareza, Ana Castillo Dumawal, Jana Zoya Gomez, Francisco. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa ating volleyball game, the battle of the Bicol University Wolves and the UNC Lady Greyhounds. One-hand set. Wow! What a one-hand set by Valderrama. But a net touch violation call for the BU. Well, we don't have a challenge here at Bucal, so we cannot.
You're right.
No, we cannot give a comment on that. Only the referees have the right to give a judgment. But on this sequence, Trejo will go, and she puts it away.
So far, this is the biggest lead dito sa ating laro. Tuloy-tuloy na nga dito ang arangkada ng UNC Greyhounds. They are fired up. The second set, and the BU Wolves needs to chase this lead. And they need to start now if they want to get this set number 2 and decide a one set apiece on their opponent. Now, Branadillos on the deck to serve para dito sa Lady Wolves.
Wow! What a spike! No Martes will be serving on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Good receive. Valderrama in the middle. Ubaldo.
So a great front line dito para sa BU Wolves. They should maximize it, having Balde and Rojas in front.
Almost service ace. Ngayon, Destajo will pick up by bigay kay Balde. Good anticipation there. Ngayon, chance. Valderrama to Rojas, but it's a long shot from her. Sa ilalim yung kuha ng bola. At tumatatawa dito ng timeout. And yes, timeout for the Bicol University Wolves. This time, this is the biggest lead of the UNC Greyhound. It's 22-16 right now. And on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, they are showing a good fight. And you know, even on the BU, medyo napapako lang ng konti. But then again,
talagang kitang-kita natin dito on the side of the UNC Greyhounds that they are celebrating every point and they seem to enjoy the game. Kaya talagang tuloy-tuloy dito ang kanilang pagkuha ng puntos on the side of the BU Bulls. They need to regain their composure inside the court if they want
sincere sa ating laro. And of course, their consistency na pinakita kanina sa first set, they need to bring back on this game when it comes to their reception as well as their attacking skills. And that's a service ace. Kasi daw nga dito sa Melardo, after that service ace for her, well, halata na she is pressured right now. Good serve. Ngayon, Rojas. Gandang bantay doon ni Luna. Lava on the back, Arizobal. And that sails out. Now, Valderrama serving. Nice serve for her. Wow. Kaya na pa rin nagpapakita ng magandang laro. It's set point for the UNC Greyhounds. And now Trejo will be serving for the set. Good to see by Rojas. Valderrama, binigay sa middle. A good block by Bustajo. And she ends once again this second set for the UNC Greyhounds. At babalik po kami for the third set. Titulan niya sa Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue, the NCF Covered Court, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating semifinals round. Step-ladder matchup between these UNC Lady Greyhounds and the BU Lady Wolves. Nakakuha na nga ng 2 set ang Greyhounds at 1 set na lamang, and they will advance to the finals. Pero on the side of the BU Lady Wolves, it's not yet over for their team. If they want to get this win, they need to make an effort. And to hear an update on the side of the UNC Lady Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain. Anong balita dyan?
Hello, Kelly and Rick. Powerhouse nga naman kung matatawag ang dalawang teams ngayon as they set foot on the hard court. Of course, with the Lady Greyhounds giving their A-game, the errors are still found. But the good thing here is that kahit anong error ang magawa nila, ay talaga naman binabawi ng mga players ito. During the last few minutes, Coach Ganda reminded them to show importance and respect to the current standing that they have. Kelly and Rick, this is the Lady Greyhounds still in the lead. Yan muna ang update on the side of the UNC. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Rain, with that update. On that last set nga, pinakita dito UNC Greyhounds ang kanilang husay in terms of serving, the blocking, and of course, they need to keep their feet on the ground since it is not yet done. It's just 1-0 at hindi pa po tapos ang laban, but right now on the side of BU Wolves, let's hear an update for Amanda. Amanda, ano update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Kelly. Didn't bounce back on the second set. Despite of the challenge of the heavy game from the last set, the BU Wolves didn't stop to prove their abilities. They focused more on their defense and blockings. Kalagitnaan nga ng laro ay tila nawawala sa focus ang mga players, but it does not stop the BU Wolves from working. They began being consistent on their game and continue trusting their teammates. Tumawag nga ng timeout para i-remind ang players na ibigay na ang lahat this game and show the outcome of their trainings. Also, the coaches told them to make a reset and regain the hype of the game. Will they get the third set and grab a chance of slot to the finals? Yan ang dapat nating abangan. Kaya tuloy here at Bucal Facebook page 1 Media Team 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lang ang update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Ayan, thank you so much for that information, Amanda. So yun nga, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Ibigay na ang lahat para dito sa BU Wolves. Right now, UNC Greyhounds still holding that lead on their side. Talagang ayaw na dito magpadikit ng score on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. That's why they are not giving any chance for the Wolves here. But Branadillos on the other side still fighting on their team. So that last 2 point coming from the BU Wolves galing sa kanilang middle blocker. Right now, minamaximize na dito ni Balderrama ang kanyang mga middles because on the previous sets, medyo hindi dito nagagamit ang kanilang mga middle blockers. Now, Luna. Rather. Back to 2-point lead.
Now the star will be serving. Balderrama. Ilog, that is an outside. Not a good ball placement there. Another but a long shot. Puntos for the BU Wolves. Now Ramirez will be serving for the BU. And the full front line for the UNC Greyhounds. And for error for them. Galale. Valderrama in the middle. Gandang bantay sana doon ni Luna. But with that hit by Granadillos, now she will be serving. Ayan, Luna, Tarzabal. And that goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the BU Wolves. Granadillos will be serving. The pick up. Luna to Arizobal. Good there by Ramirez. And Oli puts it away. And we are tied right now with 6 on. Nahabol na po ng Bicol University ang kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, and with that unforced error once again, isang libreng puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Arizobal. Good serve. Oli. By Lava P. Luna to Ramirez. A fight there on the net. Out the two. Middle blocker. For a positive aura by Ramirez. Talagang nahawa niya dito ng magandang aura ang kanyang teammates. And now Triho. And a good dig there. Gandang pasa. Another for Triho. Gandang bantay ni Valderrama. Tongko to Rojas. Ayun. Luna. Oh. But obviously, it's a double touch. It's 8-7 still. The UNC Greyhound is leading with 1 point. Gandang serve.
Now Luna setting up Triho. Nice stop there coming from Balde.
One hand save. And no justice there for Valderrama. After that hulog anticipated by Rojas. And now Martres is serving, which means that Destajo is now inside. Talk with the receive. Valderrama with 1-2 play. Ramirez. And not a good pass there by Ramirez. And now Valderrama will be serving, a strong server for the BU Wolves. And that sails out. Now Luna will be serving for them. Good serve. Subaytong ko. One hand set. Ngayon, Luna will get the ball. Lava P. Maybe can do with that, but not an effective one. Another for Lava P. Arizobal to Triho. Good pick up there. Now Valderrama. Chance once again. Arizobal. Luna setting to Destajo. And another effective one.
So 8-11 para sa ating score. Luna on that service line.
Combination play. Good pick up there by Arizobal. An underhand set to Trijo, adjust, and yes! Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. It's 12-8. A comfortable lead right now for the UNC. Luna with that serve. Good pick up there. Balderrama in the middle, and no one got that ball. No coverage for Balder, and timeout call right now for the Bicol University Wolves. And of course, nice nating pasalamatan
ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Nueva College Foundation, home of the champion. Real Print, quality printing, excellent service. Your printing partner since 1985. Congressman Gabby Bordado, Representative 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Ateneo de Naga University, 1 Big 5. Liman Meat Shop, top quality guaranteed, simply the best in Bicolandia, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Universidad de Santa Isabel, where love is service.
And also the ACLC Naga, Flowers and Beyond, Lemon Residences, Dunkin' Donuts, Third Law for Real Estate, State Development Construction Enterprises, and NCF Wings. Hancock's Kinalas, Naga Healthcare and Smoking Center, Naga and Travels and Tours, NCFB Gallery, Digital Graphic Printing Service, Tigers Cafe, NCF Indoor Firing Range, NCF Training Pool, and the NCF Driving School. And also, Bucal would like also to thank the following sponsors: Havaianas, Biggs, and Elise Sportswear. Right now, Luna was still serving on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Another good serve. Cross with that. Ayan, chance. Lava P. Luna to Destajo. Good pick up by Rojas. Now, Balderrama. Arizobal. Luna to Balane. Not an effective one. A chance. Lavapi. To Trio. Ngayon. Lavapi with a rally here. Rojas. And that goes straight down to the net. A long rest action there. Mababa. Yung placement ng bola. Punto. For the UNC Greyhounds. And it's 14-8 right now. A comfortable lead for the UNC Greyhounds, and still on the service net, Luna. And that's a service ace.
Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live audiences na talaga namang nakatutok dito sa atin. Live na live. Shoutout po kay Evelyn A. Arizobal, Sheila May Acosta Vispa, Rufa Damiar Arizobal, and kay Lina Cebuyo. Happy watching po.
That sequence, a service error for Luna. Ayan, free ball for BU. Baldo with the receive. Balderrama to Rojas. Good save now. Balane with the get. Luna to Destajo. Ayan. Nuestro. Luna to Balane. Good dig there by Oli. And another unforced error hit. Mukhang for substitution. Bilardo will go inside. Now Trijo will be serving. Ooh, good save. Ayan, Destajo. To Balane. A good dog there. Rojas. Luna. Torizabal. Another good dig. Right a man, and That's a point for Roja. It's 16-10 and in favor of the UNC Greyhound. 6-point comfortable lead right now, and Ross will be serving. Luna, Carizabal. Ayan. Good dig. In the middle, Destao with the help of the net. Gandang pasok doon by Destao. And now Destao will go out for the serve. And jersey number 17 will go inside. Good serve. Service ace. Sa kakapasok pa lamang. And now, time out called by the Bicol University Wolves. Now a trick. Pinapakitang strong spirit dito ng UNC Greyhound. They have the advantage. 2-0 sets. Lamang ng dalawang set dito ang UNC. And para makuha ang spot for the final appearance, kailangan, of course, galingan at tapusin na ng UNC Greyhounds, while sa side ng BU, they need to lessen their error, maximize their skills to extend this game up until 4th or 5th set. And on that decision game, nalaman natin sino talaga ang lalaban. Bilog po ang bola. We cannot predict whoever will win this game.
Yes, at medyo mahaba-haba dito ang habulin ng BU Wolves. But again, sabi mo nga, bilog ang bola. Anything can happen dito sa ating set number 3 na ito.
Another poor reception for the BU. All with the free ball now for the 19 points. And it's an outside for the UNC Greyhounds.
No room for error para dito sa BU Lady Wolves. Kailangan nila itong dahan-dahanin. 1 point at a time on their side. Pero sa side naman ng UNC Greyhounds, para hindi na sila dito mahabol, kailangan nila ditong gandahan ng opensa at depensa.
And with that unforced error for the BU Wolves. Now, the team captain will go inside. Felices will go inside and Malano will go out for the serve. Good serve by Felices. Now to Granadillos. Chance. Luna. Carizabal. A good dig there by Rojas. Oli with a hulog. Good defense there by Felices. Another 4. And that will call as a lifting violation for Carizabal.
Now Luna, setting up Carizabal. Nice play coming from Oli.
Good
Oli
adjustment
will try.
there.
Free ball again on the side of the Wolves. In the middle, 1v1 up the net. But unfortunately, Valde touches the net.
It's 2012 right now. 5 puntos na lamang ang kakailangan ng UNC Greyhounds to have a spot on the finals. And let's see. Right now, with that free ball and a good point there for Valderrama. A smart play. Nakita niyang walang bantay sa down the line hit. Good serve. Good pick up by Felices. Martires. And that's a long shot. Now, tatawag ng timeout dito ang UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan.
So, an early timeout this time. Si coach ng UNC, di nyo na papatagalin pa na magkaroon ng unforced errors. Yung UNC Greyhounds, they need, to stop it and adjust well to get this game and to have a spot for the final appearance.
Tamang-tama ka dyan. 5 points away on getting a spot in the finals. Now, kailangan nila lang dito maging consistent and not to be complacent para hindi dito maagaw ang momentum on their side. Now, on the side of BU Lady Wolves, again, yung sabi ko nga kanina, 1 point at a time. Kailangan ditong dahan-dahanan ng BU Lady Wolves ang larong ito para ma-force ang kanilang kalaban into 4.
Well, they need to effectively function inside the court para matapos na yung larong ito ngayon. And of course, yun nga, finals na on next week. And in that sequence, Lava P, Totrijo with a just good dog there. Balde, Rojas with the free ball. Felices, Luna to Martires. Good block. Ayun. Valderrama, bibigay dito kay Rojas. Ahulog. Good pick up there by Felices to Martires once again. And a point for her. It's 20. Can feel the pressure right now on the side of BU Wolves as well as for the UNC Greyhounds. And now the Staho will go inside. No room for error right now for the BU. Martires. Almost a service ace. One hand save, Balde. Ngayon, chance. Luna. Trio adjust. A good dig there. Rojas with a top spin. Trio. Another good dog. And it's a point for Trio. Sumisenyas na nga dito ang assistant coach ng BU na ngiti lang. Kaya pa yan, kaya pang lumaban, hindi pa tapos ang laban. And now Martires will go serve. Valderrama to Balde, and a block by Destaje right now. Showed that emphatic block, even emphatic kill dito sa larong ito. And now for the set point, sorry, it's 23, the score 14. Now Luna to the Staho, and that's a check ball. Set point. Now, nasa kamay ni Martires dito. Rojas. Now, almost a service ace. Adjust. Now, for the final appearance. Luna to Trio. With that block. Another 4. With running up.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Hello, Bicolanja! Winning 3 consecutive sets, the University of Nueva Caceres Lady Greyhounds successfully secured their spot in the finals. Now with me is the best player of the game, brought to you by Lemon Meat Shop, simply the best in Bicolanja. Jersey number 8 with 9 points, 7 attacks, 1 block, and 1 service ace, Miss Sheena Anizabal. So good afternoon and congratulations. So how are you feeling na you are now standing at the spot of the best player of the game?
Maugma po ta. Ginibumoy po gabos si best na best ng team and worth it po gabos na titriningan mi and pinagalan mi po.
So kwentuhan mo naman kami, ano ba ang naging motivation mo o ng team mo ngayong araw para manalo kayo?
Ano po? Motivation ko po sinasabi po araw-araw ni coach na ano po, kapit lang and laban po lalo na sa game and ano po, lalo na po ang teammates po.
Talaga namang napakagaling. Now I am giving you the floor na mag-shout out o magpasalamat sa mga taong sumusuporta sa iyo at sa team mo.
Una-una po ang family ko po and lalo-lalo na po ang mga pinsan ko po na ngayon po sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na si Kuya Manuel Arzobal po. And sa mga ate ko po, shout out po. And sa mga kaklase ko po.
So again, thank you and congratulations. This is not yet the last appearance of the Lady Greyhounds, folks. Abangan natin sila on the finals, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampeon. I am Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter of the University of Nueva Caceres Greyhounds. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Best player of the game galing sa UNC Greyhounds, Arizobat. What a game para dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. BU Wolves and UNC Greyhounds. Pero may natatalo at may nananalo talaga. UNC Greyhounds advance to the finals at makakatapat ang ating defending champion na NCF Tigers.
Well, a big congratulations to the UNC Greyhounds with that 3 sets only against the Bicol University Wolves. And of course, the player of the game, which is Sheena Arizabal with 9 points, 7 attacks, 1 block, and 1 service aces. At manatili po tayong manood dahil susunod, a do-or-die game between the Bicol University men's volleyball and as well as the UNC Greyhounds. Ako po muli, si Kelly Francisco.
And I'm Rick Puerta, tutok lamang only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampeon.